These Printify products aren't what they seem. They're actually better. So I have been doing a series for the new year on different types of print-on-demand products that you can sell on Etsy using Printify, and many of you have asked me about the print quality of these, so we're going to dive into a full review today of the Printify wine tumblers as well as the embroidered hats from Printify. So these are all products that you can make and sell without stocking any inventory, and these are products that people don't always think about when they think of print on demand. Hey guys, Angie here, and I have been selling online full-time, 100% self-employed since 2010. And since 2019, I have been solely focused on selling on Etsy. And my passion is to share with you how I actually sell on Etsy without stocking any inventory or hand making anything. So let's go ahead and look at these products in more depth. We're going to hop over to Printify and look at these on their website, and then we're going to look at the physical products and see how good the quality is compared to the reviews on the website. And this is a series that I have been doing, so make sure that you watch all of the videos so that you get the full context, because you can't just watch one video and know all of the details, right? When you go to sell these products, I recommend niching down, right? There are lots of niches that you can tap into for the wine tumblers as well as the embroidered hats in order to jump into a low competition area where you can generate lots and lots of sales. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's review. Okay, so I am over on Printify. We are under the catalog and bottles and tumblers. On the left-hand side, I have selected Sun Frog Solutions, and we are going to take a look at this wine tumbler here. And if you aren't signed up with Printify yet, I'm going to link them down below. You can sign up 100% free, and you only pay when you actually sell an item on Etsy. And then once the customer pays, you're going to come over here and order it and ship it directly to the customer. So this is the wine tumbler that we are reviewing, and I did do more videos about this, so be sure to head over to my channel to watch the research videos that I did. So this is a 12-ounce insulated wine tumbler, and as you can see, the price to purchase this wholesale is $15.67, and shipping is $8.49. Right now there is a surcharge because we are in the holiday period, but it's not always that much. Now there is an option to get Printify Premium, where you pay $29 a month for the membership, and you're going to get 20% off of all of the products that you purchase. So then that's going to take your earnings up about $3. So you're going to get $3 extra profit on each item that you sell if you are a premium member. Now this wine tumbler has 3 colors: white, stainless steel, and black. And we are going to review the white one in person in just a moment. So Sun Frog Solution, the reason why I said that these products are actually better than what people think is because right here it says that this has a 6.5 rating. So it says quality 7.5, production speed 6.1, and stock reliability of a 10. So for me, this came super fast, and it was even during the holiday period. So for me, the production speed was a 10. Obviously, it was in stock, so that was a 10 as well. Quality for me was also a 10. I didn't see anything wrong with the print that I did. So you will see down here there is a note that all designs are printed on a white color base. They suggest avoiding designs with a transparent background or thin lines because the white base may show through. Now I have this in person here, I'm looking at it, and I do not see any kind of an issue. You may want to do your own print test and test it with the white background and transparent just to see if you notice a difference. To me, it looks perfectly fine as is, and I designed this just like any other product that I do in Printify. And so here's what the 3 different color options look like. The stainless steel one looks really cool to me. There is the black one, and the white one, and they do have a little video here that you can watch about it as well, and then you can click to start designing. And I did do another video where I actually did a monogram design, so I will link that down below for you so you can watch that. This is more so just about the quality of the actual product. So now we're going to go back to the catalog and we're going to take a look at the embroidered hats. We're going to go under accessories and hats. And then what we're going to do is check the print type of embroidery. And then these are the two hats that we're going to be looking at today. Now these beanies look really good as well. I haven't tested those out. But first let's take a look at this unisex trucker hat. And this is from My Locker. It is 100% cotton, and we can take a look at it on a person here. Now I do have this one here and I'm going to show you what I think about it. This personally isn't my favorite hat, and I will show you why. But this one is $17.36 plus $4.50 shipping, and if you have Printify Premium, that is going to save you quite a lot of money, and it's only going to be $13.37. This is currently coming in black and dark green and navy colors, and it can be embroidered. My Locker has a 6.9 stock reliability 9.8, production speed 9.1, quality 6.7. And then we're going to look at the unisex twill hat, and this one is my favorite when it comes to structure. So this one is 100% cotton and it has a Velcro closure, and this one is currently coming in colors black, hunter green, gold, true navy, red, blue, white, purple, charcoal, and Kelly green. So today I'm going to be reviewing in person the purple and the charcoal. And this also has a 6.9. This is $15.73 with the free membership, or $12.11 with Printify Premium. And this has on average less than 3 business days for production, and this got to me super fast. So you can start designing right here, and when you go to design you can select all of your variations. If you look at shipping, there's different prices depending on where in the world that you are selling to, and for production you can see how they ship this as well. And you can read about the technology. So they have a multi-needle embroidery machine that offers 16 different thread colors. It says each item is individually inspected several times during the treatment and decorating process, and a final quality control check is done before the item is fully packaged prior to shipping. And we're going to look at these in person. So let's hop over to my kitchen table and take a look. Okay, so we have here the unisex trucker hat, and then we have the unisex twill hat right there. And so in my opinion, I don't really like the structure of this one too much. When you put it on your head, it kind of sinks down in different areas. The embroidery isn't too bad on it. It looks pretty good actually. I do see there are some areas where the stitching kind of connects where maybe it really shouldn't. Overall, I am happy with the embroidery work, but the quality of the hat to me is not that good. So now we have over here the unisex twill hat, which has really good structure to it, and to me the embroidery is on point. I know some of you had asked me about the quality of the embroidery because the print provider My Locker has kind of a low rating for their work. However, I did one in bold here and I did one with really fine lines, and to me they both turned out really good. On this one you can see a little bit of the area where there's like a couple of loose threads, but I think that you could just trim those off and it would look fine. But overall I think the quality is on point. So you can see with this one it has a nice outline around the letters and then really good quality stitching in between. And then in this one you can see that the stitching looks really good and very detailed. and the shipping on these was incredibly fast. Here you can see the comparison between the quality of the trucker hat and the twill. So I would highly recommend these. And then we have the wine tumbler from Sunfrog. And as you can see, some people had asked me about doing fine lines and transparent backgrounds with these designs due to what it says on the website. And I did both, a transparent background and thin lines. And to me, it came out really, really well. So I have the initials there, AM, and the print quality looks great. No problems with the fine lines or the transparent background. And I love that it comes with this nice lid, and it has a rubber around the ring of it, so it has a nice tight fit to the lid. So here you can see the rubber on the lid, so it doesn't move around too much and has a secure fit. And this sticker was inside, showing that there is double wall vacuum insulation, sweat-free technology, superior hot-cold retention, powder-coated finished colors, and that most styles are cup holder friendly. So you're supposed to hand wash only. So I would definitely put some of these details in your listing. And then you can see the inside of the wine tumbler. I really, really like the quality of this. And then here is a close-up of the print for you. I would say these three, highly recommend. This one, not so much. So I hope you enjoyed today's review. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those down below for me. I'm also going to leave all of my best resources for succeeding with Etsy print on demand in the description box below. And I'm also going to link for you my full playlist here on YouTube so you can learn more about how to grow your store on Etsy. Make it an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.